Hello, my name is Cian Cook. I want to give a review for Natasha, my personal trainer. I have never had a personal trainer before, so I was very hesitant to do this. I also do not like to work out, so it was hard for me to get in the groove, but after meeting Natasha, I decided that I needed to get my body into shape. I am about to turn 46 years old and I was overweight, not eating good, and my body was in pain. When I met Natasha, we did a complete evaluation. She was so nice and so knowledgeable that I just knew that I wanted to work with her. And I have changed my eating habits completely, changed my lifestyle, and did the hard work doing that myself. But the workouts, I have to credit to Natasha because I do not push myself the way she pushes me, but also she customizes each workout specifically to my body and my goals. So she'll probably show you a before of me. I think my heaviest, I weighed 180 something pounds. And I was wearing size large and extra large in clothing. And now I am down to my high school weight, which is about 135 pounds. And I'm wearing size small. So I feel like I am in the best shape of my adult years. I feel great. I have way less pain, and I look good. And I really have to give props to Natasha for that. I love working out with her. Our sessions are challenging, but they're not hard. I really enjoy it and I feel really good afterwards. And any ladies who feel intimidated going to the gym or do not want a gym kind of workout, I highly recommend working out with Natasha. She is an amazing person. And good friend too. So, thanks.